All right, this is the video that we're going to be using to show you how to manipulate the WTN website and the other websites, the ZHR and DCF. So once you log into you're going to go to tantalk1340.com/WP-admin, log in with your credentials. Most of the time what you're going to do is you're going to modify shows. So like right here, these are all these shows. So if you guys get a show or you need to manipulate a show, and let's just use one for an example. Let's look at Saturday, Music of Your Life, 9 a.m. You guys sign a new show and now you have to put that show in here. So this is what we're going to do. In your dashboard, we have to go to the shows. Before we add the show, we actually have to make that box empty. So we'll go to the shows. We'll search by title. Music of Your Life. It's probably page 2. Music of Your Life. So we're going to edit it. We're going to scroll down. And we're going to look at Saturday at 9 o'clock. So somewhere in here, you're going to see Saturday at 9 o'clock. So Saturday, no. Saturday, no. There it is right here. Saturday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. We're going to remove that show. So it's gone. Every time you remove the show, you have to scroll up to the top here and hit update. To make sure that that's working, we're going to go over to the website. I'm going to hit refresh. And what you see here, it's blank. All right, so good, it's gone. Now what we need to do is add the show. So let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to shows. We're going to add a show. Let's call it, I don't know, John Show. This is where you add text. Again, if you want to add media, like what I've been doing for a lot of these guys, and they have a podcast or a website, we'll hit add media. And here are all the images that we have on the server now. So here's the website button. We're going to insert it. You can highlight it again, hit the link button, and type in the website address. Now, if you want the link to open up in a new window, then you check this box. So that's what we'll do. We'll hit update. Okay. If they have a podcast, what you'll do is just add the podcast, insert in a post, again highlight it, hit the link button, and type in the URL for the podcast. So the Internet Radio Pros / I don't know, John Show, whatever the link is to the podcast. Update. Now we got to scroll down. This is very important. If you don't check this box, the show will not show up on the programming schedule. So you have to check it. Now, you can leave all these blank. Now we have to add a shift, meaning when's the show going to show? So Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Saturdays. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Sorry, I keep saying that. Now, do not hit add a shift because that'll mean that there's another show coming. So what you need to do, again, scroll up to the top, hit publish. Make sure it's there. We'll hit refresh. And let's pause this. And there it is, John's show. Now, the only thing I did not do is add the headshot. So what we'll do, we'll go back into here, and we have to set the featured image. Now, Since it's not here because it's a brand new show, it's never been up there, we'd have to upload the files. So we have to select a file. And again, let me find something real quick. Let's go to my desktop. Let's see if I have anything here. That's a bitmap. That's not going to work. Come on. Download JPEG. I don't even know what that is. All right. So just say that's my show. So we're going to highlight it and we're going to hit set featured image. And there you go. Now, remember, every time you make a change, you have to hit update. So now, go back to the programming schedule. We'll hit refresh. Pause this so we don't listen to music. It's under John's show. There's the website link. Goes to my IT work desk. The podcast. Tells me when it plays. And there's my headshot. So that works. So that's how you do that. That's how you add a show. If you want to remove the show, which we're going to do now, just say, you know, I'm a cheapskate and I don't pay my bills. We're going to can this show. So what we're going to do is, where is it now? Shows. So we'll go back to the shows. There's the John show. Now, you know, I'm a cheapskate. I didn't pay my bill. We're going to trash. Gone. Go back, hit refresh. As you see, the show's gone. So let's go back to our programming schedule. And again, that's blank. So this is going to happen to you guys as people come and go. And usually what happens is if there's no one to replace the show, Lola wants music of your life. So what we'll do is we'll go back. We have to go to music of your life. Search by title again. It's page 2. The bottom. Scroll down. Edit. Let's go back and add that show. So add a shift. Saturday, 9 a.m. Finishes at 10 a.m. It's a 1-hour show. Now, one thing, remember, do not hit add a shift because it's thinking that's going to add another show. So you just go up here and hit update. Once that loads, you open up another tab, you hit refresh, and again, music of your life will be here. Now, here's something really important. Just say this person disappears. Oh, shut that off. This person no longer is around, right? So you're going to delete him. There'll be a blank. Instead of adding a show, all you have to do is say, okay, music of your life is on from Saturday at midnight. And now it's going to go all the way to 10 a.m. So instead of individually having a box for music of your life, music of your life, music of your life, you can add one big long one. So what you would do is delete this one. So it'd be a blank box. When you delete this show, it'll be a blank box, right? So you're going to have two individual boxes. So what you're going to do is you're going to edit this show Saturday at 12 a.m. and you're going to take it all the way to the show that finishes at 10 a.m. So it'll go from 12 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then this will be one big box without these lines through it. And to do that, you would go to shows. So you look for the Saturday midnight show. So right here, you'd go from start at 12 a.m. and you would finish that at 10 a.m. So that'll be, when you look at it, that'll be one open box. Now, other things you can do with the website. You can go to the pages. So let's go to the pages. Here are all the pages. So if you want to modify the home page, you just click on edit. And there's the home page. So you can type in text, get rid of icons and stuff. Now, what I would highly suggest is just call me. because if you mess this up and you save it, if we don't have a backup of it, we got to recreate it. So that's it. That's how you manipulate, add a show. Oh, one other thing. Schedule override. This is pretty cool, especially for like Lightning games and like Denny and Blue Jay games. If it's a one-time show, just say like there's a Denny and Blue Jay game right here and it's going to override. You can go in and override that show, that one-time show, and what'll happen is it'll change the calendar for that day, and then it'll revert back to the normal schedule the next when that time passes. It automatically reverts back to the normal schedule. So if it's something that's like a Lightning game, baseball game, whatever, you can go in there and interrupt by doing a show override. Other than that, that's about it. That's all you need to know. You won't need to use any of these other links, and that's it. So hopefully that works. Again, if you ever need me, you can call me, email me. Easiest is to call, but that's it. And that's it. Talk to you.